Petroleum jelly is an inexpensive product and is used by people all over the world. Most of us have petroleum jelly in our makeup kits, and we often use it as a lip balm. Yes, it's a savior. But did you know that it can be used to heal wounds and cuts too? Probably not. There is a multitude of benefits that petroleum jelly has to offer. Keep on watching to find out. In this video, I will be revealing to you the health benefits and uses of using petroleum jelly and also the side effects of using petroleum jelly. Make sure you watch until the end. Before we start, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please do so and press that subscribe button below. What is petroleum jelly made of? Petroleum jelly, also called petroleum, is a mixture of mineral oils and waxes, which form a semi-solid jelly-like substance. This product hasn't changed much since Robert Augustus Cheeseburger discovered it in 1859. Cheeseburger noticed that oil workers would use a gooey jelly to heal their wounds and burns. He eventually packaged this jelly like Vaseline. Petroleum jelly's benefits come from its main ingredient petroleum, which helps seal your skin with a water protective barrier. This helps your skin heal and retain moisture. Keep on watching to learn what else you can use petroleum jelly for. Benefits and uses for petroleum jelly. 1. Moisturize your face, hands, and more. Face and body lotion. Apply petroleum jelly after a shower. As an occlusive moisturizer, it prevents your skin from drying out. You can also use it for dry noses during cold or allergy season. Cracked heels. Soak your feet in warm water with some salt added to it. Towel dry thoroughly and apply petroleum jelly and clean cotton socks. Improve your gardening hands. After washing and drying, use some petroleum jelly and a clean pair of gloves to help lock in moisture and accelerate healing. Chapped lips. Apply to chapped lips as you would any chapstick. 2. Remove eye makeup. Oil is an effective way to remove makeup, and petroleum jelly is safe to use in the eye area, according to a study on eye ultrasounds. Use a cotton pad or Q-tip for hard-to-reach areas, and press gently without tugging too hard on your skin. Make sure to close your eyes as you wipe. Some people also swear by using it on crow's feet lines. 3. Prevent skin stains from hair dye or nail polish. Apply petroleum jelly along your hairline to prevent hair dye from staining your skin. This also works if you like to paint your nails at home. A barrier of petroleum jelly is easy to wipe away when you're done. 4. Preserve perfume scents. Using petroleum jelly as a base for your perfume can help it last longer. 5. Use as lube for stuck objects. If a ring is stuck on your finger, put some jelly on your finger, making sure you get some around and under the ring. This will help the ring slip off your finger. For door hinges, apply a bit of jelly right on the hinge and swing the door a few times to spread evenly. Wipe off the excess. 6. Heal minor skin scrapes and burns. A study shows that petroleum jelly is effective in keeping skin moist during post-surgery healing. This may be particularly good for regular, less dramatic skin injuries. Make sure that the surface you apply petroleum jelly on is properly cleaned and disinfected. Otherwise, bacteria and other pathogens can get trapped inside and delay the healing process. 7. Use it on your nails. Using petroleum jelly on your nail plates can make them shiny and strengthen your nails with time. 8. It can remove makeup stains. If you stained your favorite shirt with lipstick, apply some petroleum jelly on it. Then wash your shirt the usual way. 9. It can be used as a scrub. Petroleum jelly can even be used as one of the ingredients in your homemade scrub. Mix some petroleum jelly with natural abrasive particles like coffee or sea salt as using it as a body scrub. 10. It can be used as a lube. If a ring is stuck on your fingers, use petroleum jelly. Put some on your finger and make sure that some jelly gets under the ring. The jelly would start acting like lube and the ring would come off. 11. You can use it for your pet too. If your pet has dry paws, use petroleum jelly for it. Before applying it, clean its paws with cotton gauze, then let it dry. Ideally, apply petroleum jelly on your pet's paws when it is resting. 12. Prevent diaper rash. Petroleum jelly has been to reduce the incidence of diaper rash in babies. Clean and towel dry your little one's skin properly before applying. Petroleum jelly will form a protective barrier that will help protect the skin from constant exposure to moisture. Make an appointment with the doctor if there is a persistent rash. 13. Use it to unlock zippers. If you have a handbag with a stuck zipper, lubricate the zipper with petroleum jelly. A bit of finagling after that can make it work. 14. It can make your leather products shine like new. Leather products can lose their shine with time. Petroleum jelly can bring back the lost shine to some extent. Apply petroleum jelly on your leather handbags or shoes, then clean them with a soft piece of cloth. Are there any side effects of using petroleum jelly? Although petroleum jelly is very beneficial, it has its share of disadvantages too. Know its side effects before using it. While petroleum jelly has many benefits, it should be for external use only. Do not eat or insert petroleum jelly. Avoid using petroleum jelly for masturbation or as a vaginal lubricant. According to Reuters, a study of 141 women found that 17% used petroleum jelly internally and 40% of them tested positive for bacterial vaginosis. The brand and type of jelly you purchase may cause different reactions. These include allergies. Some people are more sensitive and can develop allergies if they use petroleum-derived products. Always keep an eye out for irritations and adverse reactions when using a new product. Infections. Not allowing the skin to dry or cleaning the skin properly before applying petroleum jelly can cause fungal or bacterial infections. A contaminated jar can also spread bacteria if you insert jelly vaginally. Aspiration risks. Check with your doctor before using petroleum jelly around the nose area, especially in children. Inhaling mineral oils may cause aspiration pneumonia. Clogged pores. Some people may break out when using petroleum jelly. Make sure you clean the skin properly before you apply the jelly to reduce the risk of breakouts. Petroleum jelly has been a staple in the medical and beauty industry for a long time due to its emollient properties, ability to help with skin healing, and also due to its safety record. Be sure to choose the triple distilled, purified product. The well-known old-timer Vaseline is one of them, to avoid putting any toxic contaminants on your skin, some of which are potentially carcinogenic. If you found this video more informative, make sure you like the video, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. Go out to the world and stay healthy.